guys, today we're going to make this delicious hot chocolate perfect for these winters. Let's get started. To make this hot chocolate, take a pan, let the flame be low and add 1 cup of milk. Now add a tablespoon of cocoa powder and add half teaspoon instant coffee powder. Now keep whisking this, and after it comes to a boil, we will add the sugar. Now it has come to a boil, we will add 2 teaspoons sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup milk chocolate compound. If you don't have milk chocolate compound, then you can add dark chocolate compound as well. A pinch of salt to enhance the taste. And now I'm going to add the cornflour slurry. If you like thick and creamy hot chocolate like me, then you need to add the cornflour slurry to make your hot chocolate thick. But if you don't like thick hot chocolate, you like thin hot chocolate, then you need not add the cornflour slurry. Now after adding the cornflour slurry, immediately start whisking and mixing. You will see it has a beautiful color. Become thick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it to a glass. So I'm transferring it. Look at the beautiful color and texture it has got. And I am topping it with some cream and dusting some cocoa powder. You can top it as you wish. So here goes the cream, and now I'm going to dust it with some cocoa powder. Here my delicious hot chocolate is ready. Enjoy!